This market moved $1 billion today because of one sentence. The upward trend is dominating. Key headlines. Meta cuts 1,000 Reality Labs jobs to shift focus to AI and mobile. Applied Materials stock just hit a new all-time high. Should you buy a MOT here? Apple. AAPL.'s the place to go if you want to make some money, says Jim Cramer. Via Transportation. Via is a strong infrastructure play for 2026. Should you buy Netflix stock before Jan. 20? Microsoft Corporation. MSFT. Set to gain from rising software spending. Morgan Stanley says. The best balance transfer credit cards for January 2026 don't pay any interest until 2027. FHA loan limits in 2026. Best credit cards for gas for January 2026. Datadog Inc. DDoG. Set to be a beneficiary of vendor consolidation. Here's why ServiceNow was among Piper Sandler's top picks for 2026. Pentagon deal sends asked space mobile soaring. Is this the next leg up? International oil companies push for quick reforms in Venezuela to give them control over oil exports. Why asked space mobile stock soared today? Analyst report. Lennar Corp. Netscope. NTSK. Could be an agentic AI winner. Growth outlook positive for Core Scientific. CORZ. Stock. Tom Lee's BitMine pushes Ethereum into $8 billion staking backlog. No prepayments needed. Nvidia clarifies terms on H200 chip sales to China. Broadcom issues $4.5 billion in notes as AI concerns linger. Sophie CEO Anthony Noto says his company is poised to win if Trump caps credit card rates. Why personal loans could come out on top. Why analysts are closely watching JP Morgan Chase & Co. JPM. Why Evercore ISI remains bullish on Bank of America Corporation. BAC. Analysts turn more constructive on Johnson & Johnson. J&J. Heading into 2026. Pattern Group. PTRN. Still has more upside according to analysts. Short-term risks behind Citi's Varonis Systems. VRNS. Target price downward revision. Commvault Systems. CVLT. Remains a strong buy. Hedge funds are shorting this classic Warren Buffett stock. Should you sell shares now? Wells Fargo bullish on HubSpot. Hubs. Stock. Is Alphabet Inc. Google. The most profitable U.S. stock to buy? Why is Meta Platforms priced 36% cheaper than its hyperscaler peers? What is the average interest rate for savings accounts? Dear AMC stock fans, mark your calendars for February 2nd. Analyst report. Goldman Sachs Group, Inc. Popeyes franchisee with over 130 locations files for bankruptcy. A congressional stock trading ban finally has legs. Remitly Global. Rely. Has a healthy upside despite downward target price revisions. Wells Fargo & Company. WFC. S risk-reward looks compelling, says BofA. Strategy Inc. MSTR. Continues to add Bitcoin amid MSCI clarity. Promising prospects for Life 360 Inc. Leaf. Post-Nativo acquisition. Tomorrow's data could change everything. Subscribe for the next update.